Using your mobile phone in a car is one of my bugbears, and in this video today I'm going to highlight unfortunately one person who continually did it for a number of minutes on multiple occasions. And it's this lady behind driving the Ford Cougar. She wasn't driving particularly well, she was following a little close on a few occasions, but then when she started using a phone, honestly it made things 10 times worse. You should all know driving and using a phone is illegal, even when stopped in a queue. You can't actually see the mobile phone at this point, but she has just put on her reading glasses. She could be looking at something else which wouldn't be illegal, but we do get some stronger evidence later on in the clip. She doesn't take her eyes off her phone once in all the time until we get moving again. Now there's a motorbike a little further back, that could have been overtaken just as she's starting to move off. But this next portion of the clip proves just how little attention people have when they use the mobile phone whilst operating a car. Here she goes again. That's right, straight up a curb in a busy shopping area. It's hard to see what she does whilst driving down this road through Walton Vale, but she does go for her glasses again. That's it, back on your phone. Does she even know the motorcyclist is to the side? She's just gone up a left curb, she could easily take him out. This next part of the drive shows some poor driving, although I can't see her on a phone. You watch as the road narrows and merges. She undertakes, and the silver Nissan does a good job and sorts it out. She's actually so engrossed this time, she nearly goes into the back of me. That stop was purely reactive. She only looked up slightly as she stopped. She didn't see whatsoever what was in front of me and further up the queue. Poor driving and very dangerous, all because she's looking at her phone. Again though, we've not had any proof yet, she could be looking at something different. I very much doubt it though. Only a short distance further up the road, she's at it again. And this is where we get our proof. Again, glasses on, driving without any hands, and straight to the phone. Does she realise the motorbike's coming past on the left? No chance. It's a good job she wasn't moving like before. And there's our proof. We could see the phone over the top of the wheel, and we haven't finished yet. She's having a good look at it now. It doesn't matter whether your car is stationary or not. Unless it's parked, mobile phone use and car use doesn't go. I've toyed with, whilst making and producing and editing this video, whether or not I should report this lady to the police. But I'm going to go with what I always say, education's the key. So what I'd like everyone to do instead is share this video as many times as you can on all different platforms. Help me get this message out that mobile phone use whilst you're driving doesn't go. If you haven't already liked the video, please do so because that helps more views. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Keep safe, thanks for watching and being a part of the team.